snake in your steak. This is going to be a very special episode, man. We have our two guests today, my mother and my brother.
Definitely going to be doing some ribs. We're going to do their famous wings. The Virgils is known for their barbecue, but as a wing connoisseur, I urge everybody to come to New York, come to Virgils on 44th and try their wings.
I also am a wings connoisseur, and if my brother says it, then it definitely must be good. He gives me good advice in terms of food, and yo, what was that one?
And other stuff.
And other stuff. And other stuff.
I love the smoke. It's very tender, really juicy, and it has this bold aftertaste.
I like the smoke. It's tender and spicy. It's good.
You really can tell it has been smoked for a while. It just comes apart so easily. Seasoning's on point too. And the flavor is just so inducing to the chicken.
They're probably smoking from like 8 o'clock until dinner time.
Yeah.
The lettuce was actually pretty good too, because it got all that chicken juice on it. Green hot sauce. I'm gonna lose my mouth. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not bad. I'm not in danger, not yet. It hasn't completely taken over my mouth. It's starting to heat up now. It's really starting to heat up. All right, I'm good. Just a drop. Red hot sauce. Apparently it's hotter than the green sauce.
More of a, see what I mean? Different kind of.
It's a different kind of heat.
Exactly, it's a different kind of heat. They're both really delicious.
Yeah.
I would put green on one and maybe brown on the other, and still have the same intense flavor, but two different experiences.
3 minutes in, and I can already still taste the smoke.
These are trash ribs.
Trash ribs with collard greens, mac and cheese, and a cornbread.
They're delicious. Makes me feel like I'm in the South. Definitely feel like I'm in the South. Really tasty. Not salty at all, but full of robust flavor.
Got bacon bits on it too. Cheesy mac and cheese. It's a baked mac and cheese. It tastes like it has about 3 different types of cheese. Can't really explain it. What I admire about the trash ribs is initially it had a very compelling smoky smell, and when you bite into it, you're greeted with a very zesty sort of a barbecue sauce that makes the meat tastes incredibly delicious. On top of that, the meat slides right off the bone and you can enjoy the sweet tenderness of the trash ribs. These ribs were delicious. I want to wish my brother a happy birthday. Hanging out with him and my mother this day was incredibly fun, and hope to do more reviews with them in the future.